Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to fix Windows blue screen error. This is the most common error in the Windows applications and computers. So if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and liking this video. First, the simple option is restart your computer. Go to start menu, tap on power icon and restart. And if you see the blue screen option, you can't do that. So you just need to tap on your power button in the computer or PC, then it will be completely shut down and you need to tap on again to restart the computer. And the method number 2 is, if you do this recent changes in your computer, like you install the new application or install the new hardware, please undo that application and hardware in your computer, then check again it is fixed your issue or not. In the third method is boot into safe mode. To do that, when you restart your computer, please press F8 icon, F8 button, or sometime it will be shift plus F8 button. Okay, then it will be go to the safe mode, then it will be you can troubleshoot and fix the issue. And method number 4 is check for Windows updates. To do that, go to start menu here and go to setting, go to last option Windows update in the left side menu, and check whether is there any kind of Windows update is appeared as a download. Just tap on download and it will be automatically download and restart the install the application, and then you need to restart your computer. Then check is that blue screen error fixed or not. The method number 6 is check device manager. To do that, go to right click on this PC icon, tap on manage, go to device manager in left side menu. You can see, if you see these kind of yellow icon in some of the application, please right click on it and tap on update driver, and in here tap on if you have local installation file, choose the browse my computer for drivers, and if you need to find the drivers by internet, just tap on first option. So in my case it was unable to install this device, so you can right click on it and disable driver or uninstall driver. Okay, so this is method number 6. And the method number 7 is you have to run the system file checker, and if your system files will be corrupted, so you need to run the system file checker. To do that, go to search bar here, search for command prompt. Yeah, this is the command prompt. Right click on it and run as administrator. Tap on yes in the pop-up menu. In here you need to type sfc space slash scan now and hit enter. This will take small time, then it will be fix the system files. Okay, method number 8 is check disk for errors. Okay, sometimes your disk error also affected for blue screen error. To do that, go again search bar, search for command prompt, right click on it, run as administrator, pop up menu, tap on yes, and type this command chk dsk space /f space /r and hit enter. This will check and repair disk errors. Okay, method number 9 is you need to update drivers. Sometimes your old drivers will be fixed these blue screen errors. To do that, right click on this PC, go to manage and tap on device manager in left side menu, and these are the all drivers in your computer. And as an example, I'm going to display drivers, and this is the driver installed on my computer. Right click on it, update driver, and tap on search automatically for driver. So install the local app driver. I'm going to choose first option, and it says the best drivers for your device are already installed, so no need to install it again. Okay, so close this one. And the method number 10 is check for malware. If you if your computer has affected with some kind of malware, so it will be reason for the blue screen error. So you need to run the full system scan, or you need to install the antivirus software for check the malware or virus. For do that using your computer applications, go to search bar, tap on search for security. You can see the first option, Windows Security. Search for it. Okay, in my case I can't open because I am not in the administrative permissions. So if you in your case you need to open Windows Security and run the full system scan. Okay, then it will be find the malware and remove it. So method number 11 is check the event viewer. To do that you need to press Windows key plus X. Windows key plus X. Okay, in here you will see event viewer. Yeah, this is the fourth option. Tap on it. Okay, in here, okay, this is the event viewer option. In here, double tap on this event viewer option, and in here double tap on Windows logs. Okay, in this you will be see system option. Tap on it. Okay, these are the information and warning on your computer about your applications. Okay, scroll down and find red icon in here. The yellow icon are not considerable because those are warnings only. Scroll down all the way. Okay, okay, you find, yeah, there is an error. You can see this is the error option. Okay, all right. This is the event viewer, and in here you can see there is option called Windows Logs in the left side menu. Tap on it, and in the right side menu you can see option called System. Double tap on it, and this will show all the information and warnings in your computer. And if you see red icon mark like red mark, those are the critical errors. So double tap on that kind of message and find the error of the issue. So you will able to find the issue that is reason for the blue screen error. Okay, yeah, this is method number 11. Okay, the last method is you have to run Windows Memory Diagnostic. To do that you need to go to search bar, search for run. This is the application. Tap on it, and in this application you need to type md sched.exe and tap on OK, and it will be show check your computer for memory problems. And there are two options: restart now and check for problems, and check for problem that next time I start my computer. You can choose whatever you like, and it will be run the Windows Memory Diagnostic and fix the memory issues. So these 12 methods definitely fix your issue. So if you gain some knowledge from this video and you fix your computer issue from this video, please consider subscribe and like in this video. Thank you very much.